Recording a video. Welcome to an Airbnb. I don't know what you want to call it. It's Northeast Minneapolis. We have some chainsaw art on the walls. I wanted to make a walkthrough video with the Quest 3 because I ran out of storage space on my phone here. So I am going to scan it in a Hyperscape reality capture. That's exciting. I don't know how extensive I can scan. If I can... Okay, Traci's in the kitchen. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Traci. So we have out here a fire pit and a hot tub. And Eric Baldus is the owner. He owns Terra Vista Landscaping. He's so kind. He left me 4 Miller Lights and some olives and some other things in there. But there's a bedroom in here. It's got a nice closet. There is a pool table and laundry in the basement. I guess we'll go down there real quick. This to be the extensive walkthrough, even though it's Quest 3 pass-through camera quality. I don't know if it's better than you would get on the Meta Ray-Bans or similar quality to the Meta Ray-Bans, but it's a nice old Northeast Minneapolis house. You have amenities. Coffee maker, I think there was a K-cup. No, it's just a regular coffee maker. Pantry. I'll just look outside briefly. We don't need to stay out here for a long time, but there's grills and a hot tub and Traci and a fire pit. I parked back there. There's some kind of debris. It's a tight parking space, but there's plenty of on-street parking. $15 a bundle for wood. If you don't leave the cash here, he charges you $20. So some cool wooden features and artwork in this room, the dining room. You have 2 couches. I don't know if they pull out. I mean, it says no parties, strictly no parties, but there is just a ton of sleeping space if you did have a large family visiting. And it's kind of funny to see my menu through the wall. There's the bathroom over here. There's me being goofy and wearing my Cheers, my goofy goggles to record a video. Someone can paint the wall right there. This window is wide open with no screen on it. And so I don't know if that's the way he likes it, or if he just wanted to air it out. I turned on all the lights and all the fans. Another bedroom. And another bathroom. I think this is cool, because this used to be, the rooftop attic environment. So he refinished this. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then this is like probably the master bedroom, you'd call it. It's the same as many of the other bedrooms. Very large closet. This would be a cool place to buy if you were into buying and selling property. He lives right across the street, the owner, landscaping, property managing extraordinaire. And that'll do it. That's the entire tour. Now I'm going to see if this headset can actually scan this extensive of an environment, or if I'll have to take it one floor at a time. There's extra towels galore. Extra towels aplenty. And that is the tour of this Airbnb, which I'll probably post the address. He called it a Brew House, Northeast Arts District Brew House. It's within walking distance. There's a nice little guide here on all the local places. The Terminal Bar, which is not open anymore. Otter Saloon. Yeah. Lots of Northeast Minneapolis culture accessible from this location. All right. I give it 5 stars. Thanks for the beer, Eric. We'll see you in the scan. I'm going to do a 3D scan, which is going to be super hot. Bye.